Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, first AWS 3T's Elasticity Scalability High Availability. Okay, this is the concept. Today's concept. Elasticity means scalability, scale out and scale in will nothing but increase or and decrease or add or delete. We can use elasticity scalability, but high availability we can treat it as assume there is a cluster. Okay, I will show an image. I prepared one image. Okay, assume there is a cluster with 3 members. That is nothing but group of application servers. It must be a redundancy. Redundancy. Okay. I will show you a sample image. High availability purpose. This is a high availability. Suppose, suppose this is our browser. This is our laptop. Okay. Here's Zoom. Okay. Send request to the. I will show you here. This is my laptop or my friend's laptop. Okay. Send request to the. Request forward. Okay. This is response. Okay. This is in this. It will read .com, .org, .in, etc. It is HTTPS 443. Okay. After this, we have hit load balancer. This is request and response. Okay. This is nothing but request and response. Okay, in this, this is F5 load balancers. Okay, this is request send from each thing. Okay, I will show you request and response like this. Okay, you can send request like this. I will show you. Here I will remove this. Okay, so here, okay, okay. This is load balancer to manage the load balancer to distribute the request equally for all servers using round robin algorithm. Okay, you can see. Okay, round robin algorithm. Suppose one load balancer is down, request will serve load balancer 2, and another load balancer is down, LB3, LB1, LB2 and LB4 is working fine. Here LB2 comma LB4 will be working because LB1 comma LB3 went down due to some issues. This is nothing but failover controller or transparent conference. This will, okay, this is thing transparent, we can call it a post transparent, we can call it a post transparent. Okay, After this, there is request and response from the firewall. H HTTPS 443 we configure under this. Okay, untrusted request will be blocked based on the rewrite URL conditions. Okay, after this we can, this is the cluster, this is application servers. Okay, this is the cluster. In the cluster consists of, this is nothing but a horizontal cluster. Okay, I will write here elasticity, nothing but horizontal scaling. Okay, scalability, nothing but vertical scaling. Okay, this is, everybody knows this. Okay, horizontal cluster. This is one of the application server. This is another application server. This is another application server. We configured as port number is HTTPS 9443. We can configure application accessing port number. Okay, HTTPS 9443. We configure application accessing port number 9443 by security port number. This is, every server have a IP address. For DNS, IP address treated as 10.12.23.40. Assume we can use, this is not any IP address. This is random IP address. Okay, this also not same. 13, 14, 44. Every application have, every load balancer have IP address. Okay, this is LB1 IP address. LB2 have separate IP address is available. IP address 45. I will use 46. This is first one, right? First one, 47. I will use using this. This is the LB1 IP address. LB1, LB2, LB3, LB4. Okay. And 13, 14, 44. This is IP address is assigning all load balancer level for web. This is the IP address 10.17.113.24 is the IP address. You can use web for application server purpose. I will use 41. 41 is not given, right? And 11.12.34. This is a random IP address. Okay, this is no, any. It is not harmful to any organization. Okay, this is a random IP address 26. Okay, in this. Okay, in this HTTPS. Okay, between this IHS and plugins are there. Horizontal cluster between this IHS and plugins are there. I will show you. Ten dot, 12 dot, 13 dot, 46, 47, 49. This is IHS horizontal cluster. Okay, we have after this request will reach to this request will reach to this request will reach to this. Okay, one server is down, maybe another server is running. Okay, this is IHS, three IHS are available. Okay, IP 10 dot 10 dot 12 dot 23 dot 34. I will use this 35. I will use 36. Okay, after this, we are using here application servers. Okay, in middle, this okay. In middle, there is one pipe symbol is there. This is yeah, this is pipe symbol for connection between IHS2 plugins. This is IBM HTTP servers. This is okay. In this here plugin-cfg.xml. Okay, plugin-cfg.xml. The plugin-cfg.xml I will show you. Plugin-cfg.xml consists of all cluster members, comma, round robin algorithm applied here, comma, virtual host port numbers, and JSession ID, own ID, and server IO timeout, and plugin.kdb, comma, plugin.stash. Okay, this is inside plugins.xml. Okay, 9443 for IP address. Can use 10 dot 11 dot 13 dot 40 31 32. Okay, here one mistake is happened, sorry for this. 36. Okay, this is our teacher. Later we can connecting with database only. We can connecting with. Okay, we can connecting with the database. Database by using Oracle 1521 1433 SQL. Okay, 3306 MySQL server 50,000 DB2 can use respective databases. Okay, this is the structure. Suppose high availability and performance unwise. Suppose this high HS may be down due to some issues. Application is working fine with this. Okay, we can increase application is very slow. Only 4 GB RAM is available for each server. We can increase and decrease the RAM based on the scenarios. That is nothing but scalability. Auto scaling group we can use. There is AWS auto scaling group is available. ASG. In the auto scaling group we have increase or decrease the capacity of the servers. Okay, this is auto scaling group. Can nothing increase, we can call it as scale out, decrease, we can call double scale in. This is auto scaling group. I will show you the images. This is the architecture, internal architecture of any organization. This is the same architecture follows. Okay, in AWS and everything we can follow same thing. Okay, so in this displays the static content, that is nothing but IBM HTTP server. Displays the dynamic content, nothing but application servers. There here some default error codes, some default error codes are there, that is client and server side error codes. One is 400, 401, 403, 404. These are the main scenarios. Okay, client side, server side 501, 500, 503. Like this is the server side errors. I will plug in my charging laptop. Wait 2 minutes. I will plug in my charging. Charging is very close. Okay. Wait 2 minutes. Okay. I will show you sample examples I prepared from the other sites. Okay. This is from here. How you knows LB is forwarding request to another servers? You don't know, right? So LB internally health check monitoring for all servers in this region. Then one of the server may be down, request will go to another server. This is the main reason LB have internally health check monitoring is available internally. Okay, in the internally health check monitoring is available. Okay, in the health check monitoring, to check the all health is working or not, running or not, we can check in the LB level. This is the thing. You have no okay. This is there'll be internally health check monitoring for all servers in this reason. One of the server may be down, request will go to another server. This is the reason. How you know Smith health check monitoring is there internally. There is must should be one tool is there. I will check. I will show you. Okay. High availability means redundancy, monitor, failover control. This is the nothing but a failover controls. Horizontal cluster can achieve the failover controls. Okay. This is the plugins. Plugins. One of the server may be down. Request will goes to another server. Okay. And this is also down. Request will move to another server simultaneously without delay. Okay. Actual AWS architecture will show you. This is the basic non-IT members who can use this architecture as a reference. Okay. Okay. RMF, redundancy monitor failover control. What is redundancy means? Application keeping same application in the multiple server. Application is deployed on the servers. Same application is deployed on the servers. That is nothing but redundancy. That is nothing but redundancy. And same monitor LB will check application is reachable or not. Monitoring LB have internally monitoring is there. Okay. LB have internally monitoring tool is there. This is nothing but auto scaling group ASG. See, LB is doing the monitoring. LB doing monitoring for the all applications, not servers. Application, not servers. Okay. Okay. Application is running or not. Okay. The period of time service is available to the customer is called high availability. The period of time service is not available for the customer is called downtime. In this scenario, there is downtime means we can update anything, we can take downtime of the production. Okay. Actually, downtime is not required because we are using high availability, right? In the high availability purpose, we can apply one server. If working fine, we can use another server. There is no downtime is required for this. For safe side purpose, we can take downtime for this. Okay. We applied SSL in the production without downtime also. Okay, I applied in my employment without downtime also. I applied SSL in the real time scenarios in production environment. Midnight I applied. This is high availability. Okay, this is high availability. This is LB1. This is LB2. Due to some reasons, LB2 is down. Okay, the request is flows active, active. The patch room is inactive. Okay, okay, active. There is application servers LB2, LB3 and LB4. LB2 and LB4 is down. Requests will go to LB1 and LB3 will active. Okay, DB1, DB2. This is the nothing but high availability to achieve this. This is the load balancer. Okay, you can check user send a request to the DNS to load balancer one. This is primary load balancer. See, health check is monitoring after health check. Secondary load balancer. Okay, request to send health check. Okay, all the health check of the all servers, application server data read and write to the servers. This is a database master. This is a master and slave concept is applicable in the application server to database. Okay, this is replication. This is assume. Let us assume app one is down. This is my laptop. Okay, app one is down. Let us assume high availability on LB2 is down. Application will go to this. This is the nothing but a cluster mechanism. Application load balancing cluster mechanism. Okay. When application is down, there must should be another application server is go to this like this, just like previous example. Now you can see is through one of application went unavailable the function without any issues. Okay, LB1 is down. Okay, like the same everything. Okay, let take worst case scenario where four components are down. There is eight servers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what is LB1? What is application? What is database? All are servers. Some of the physical servers, some of the cloud servers, some of the Okay, these are the servers available due to this, and due to worst case, some of the servers is down. Request will maintain another four servers without delay of the response and business. This is nothing but failover control and availability. Okay, single component is unavailable from the cluster. That means four components are not available altogether. Will application can be able to function on happy day? Yes, a big yes. Okay, can image the power having high availability in our application even through a single component or multiple components are unavailable. Your application will be available for the intended parties without an issue. Perfectly right. This is actual AWS architecture. Okay, this is user. This is my laptop. Send request to the DNS. Okay, DNS. DNS to load balancer. Load balancer to availability zones. Availability zone A and zone B. In this zone A and zone B, there is virtual private cloud and private virtual public cloud and private clouds are available and subnets are available for the zone. Under this DNS, another DNS is available for, okay, like this is availability zone is like this. You can treat, okay. This is the elasticity. I already explained, right? This is elasticity. Okay. The elasticity increase and decrease the number of servers based on the workload. Elasticity is the short term. Okay. Auto scaling means scale out and scale in, increasing or decrease, add and remove. Elasticity also called as horizontal scaling. Suppose scalability, one of the DB server is there. There is 100 tons of DBs, databases, and storage procedures is available. In the storage procedures, we cannot create another database, right? We can increase the RAM 16 GB to 32 GB. That is nothing but scale up and scale down. Okay, scalability in long term we can use, not short term. Scalability also known as vertical scaling, already informed in the diagram. See, elasticity is horizontal scaling and scalability is vertical scaling, already informed. See, this is okay. This is scalability and high availability. Okay, I will upload images in my YouTube channel. Kindly refer this. Next concept is AWS. Actually, AWS will do. Next concept is what is actually AWS will do. With the coming up today's class, this next class. Okay, kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, okay, I am stopping the recording. Okay, kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, share to your friends. Okay, bye bye. See you next class.